with Mindful Bodyworks. So today's massage session at home is going to be how to massage your legs. So it's that time of year. People are out in the yard working, or they're walking or running or trying to get in shape. The weather's starting to clear up a little bit. So a lot of people are a little more active. And in some parts of the states, the weather is not as nice. So those people might be sitting more. So it doesn't matter why you want to massage your legs, but this will show you how to get some nice circulation going in there. I am going to show you how to use a foam roller as well, but some things that you can do just around the house. Now, if you don't have any of the things that I'm going to show you, you can simply just use your fist, just going like this. Can get some circulation going in your legs. You can also do tapotement, so you're just banging on your legs and not hard, but enough to where you kind of feel like a little jostle in the legs. This is great for bringing circulation to the area. And you can do that as long as you like, so it feels super good. All right, so some things that I have to show you. This is a massage stick. Now, I realize that not every household in America has massage sticks, but if you have one, you're just going to be pulling the blood toward your heart. So my direction will be this direction. So that's where my pressure is, just like this. Now you can do the side of your leg. You can come back and do the hamstring. So these massage sticks are amazing, especially if you're an athlete or maybe a weekend warrior. These are awesome. Now, if you don't have a massage stick and you have a rolling pin, you can use a rolling pin and roll it on your legs. So with this, you're just gonna have to do smaller little bits of the leg, but it feels really good. You can get all the way down near the knee, but not on the bone itself. And this is great if you're having any knee issues. We have lots of large muscles here to treat. So you can do the side of the leg, and it just feels really good. Now, if you don't have a massage stick and you are not a baker, you don't have a rolling pin at your house, maybe you have a tennis ball. Now, of course, if it has dog slobber all over it, you can still use it. You just put it like in a sock or a pillowcase, and you can still use it that way. And with a tennis ball, you just do like little circles on the leg. Now, this isn't as effective, but it will still get circulation going. And if you're really sore, this might be all that you need. All right, so tennis ball. You should all invest in a tennis ball. All right, the last thing I'm going to show you that you probably have is a can, okay? So with the can, you're just rolling it on the leg, just like so. So it's basically doing the same thing that you were doing with the rolling pin. And if you don't want to roll it like that, you can just use pressure and pull towards you. Just like that. Okay, so a can. Who knew, right? All right, so those are a couple things you can do. I am going to step over to the mat and show you what you can do with a foam roller if you have one of those at home. All right, guys, so if you have a foam roller already at home, they come in a couple different sizes. So we have the Big Kahuna, the long one. Now this foam roller is super good for doing just about any body part, or they have the little short foam rollers as well. There are some that are spiky, and I don't recommend a spike roller just for anyone. So I wouldn't recommend you getting a spike one if you're going to purchase one. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to use this little one for loosening the thigh. So this takes a little bit because you have to get down in the floor. Now, you want to set it up, and then you just want to place it right above your knee, just like this. Now, I'm on my other knee. You can come down to the forearms if it feels better. And all you're doing is just rolling your leg back and forth. Now, you can come all the way up. Or if that feels a little awkward, you can come back a little bit and then place it higher on the leg and then roll that way. So nice and slow rolling. You can also do it on the side of the leg where the IT band is. So with this one, you just set it down on the side of the leg, and you'd want to come on your forearm, and you're just rolling right on the side of the leg. You want to stay off the hip bone itself, and you'll know because it will not feel good if you roll on that. And so you would play with that. And then if you want to massage the hamstring, again, you would just be up on your arms and just putting pressure. So I'm really putting all my pressure, like letting my leg be heavy on the roller. And there you have it. So that's how to do the quadriceps, IT band, and the hamstrings. So I hope that these exercises or massage techniques help you. There are some other things that you can do on the channel, so check those out. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe. And of course, you want to tap the bell button because that lets you know when I put out a new video. Okay? Feel free to share these with anybody that needs them. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.